corn kernels, cinnamon powder, then we have sweet honey from the bees, the salt to make it delicious and fantastic sweet. Then we have the margarine. Then for the final, we have the cooking oil. Guys, let's get started! It's time to light the fire. Woo. Now it's time to put the oil. So this is the margarine and we are putting into the sufuria and let it melt it for a bit. So this is the margarine and we are going to mix it. So we have already added the cinnamon, so we will start the time that our corn kernels are going into the pot. You can look at it. Continue stirring it as we add more kernels. As you can see the kernels getting in, this recipe is going to be delicious. So it can be nice and sweet. When this is gonna be done, I'm going to show you how it's gonna look like. It's gonna be fun and delicious. It's the best popcorn. The animation minute. Mamma mia! Ow, that's bursting to me. Time to close it because it has started jumping. When the popcorns finish popping, you can open it in 3, in 2, in 1, go. Amazing! Time to put the salt, which is going to make the popcorns delicious and delicioso. Who's ready for the final reveal? Are you ready for the final reveal? In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Wow. Amazing. Let me smell. The aroma is killing me. So delicious and sweet. The most yummiest popcorn. my mouth. Finger licking good popcorn. So delicious. Sweet and delicious. And nutritious. Super chefs. Did you enjoy our cooking video? Please like, subscribe and share. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Peace. Amazing popcorns. It's party after party, guys. Delicious.